I've been on my grind, no wasting time. You see the pressure make diamonds, the money gon' pile, the glow turn to shine. I focus my mind, the flow feel right, shout out to my slime. I run up a check every time I get the grinding. Hit the slow motion, bitches calling me Miyagi. I'm talking rice and pepper rice the way I'm sliding. You can't pull up.
What's good, people? Welcome back to the channel where you learn how to keep it locked, keep it healthy. I am your boy Mo Bay, and today we're gonna be talking about those broken off ends, the pieces of locks that you find on the floor, on the chair, in your bed after rolling around at night. I'm talking about these, people. I'm talking about the lost ones. The lost ones. Yeah. Now, I've already talked about before having the crochet tool to combine locks, you know, put them together. If you got two of them that's, you know, you had to put together, you can make it, see, I still got to do this one. You can make it fully one lock, just like how this is, by using your crochet tool. Now, mine I got off of Amazon. I got the 3-pack, you know what I'm saying? 0.5 millimeters. I got the one. Real flimsy, got to be careful. This is for the smaller locks. I got the 2. This is for everything in between small and real super big. You know what I'm talking about? Like I got the 0.5 on that, and I got the 3 prong. This is for your super fat joints. I say about that thick as far as girth. You know what I'm talking about? Bow. And about that thick. Yeah. So use them like that. Bow. If you need a thicker, like a 0.7 or something like that, that's when you got the super thick wicks and you're trying to get your wick back on, you know what I'm saying? Get it from the new growth, blah, 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 blah. But as far as putting those locks back together when they break off, you don't want to lose that length. You know, sometimes it'd be the longest lock. Fuck around, the end of it break off. Now it's like the rest of them. Sometimes you don't want to let that go. So if you want to keep it there, say if you got one of the locks, I'm just gonna add it randomly to a lock. You got a lock, right? You want to put it back. You want to put it back, right? So you're like, oh man, it came off. Now the piece that broke off, you want to grab it and check where it's weak at towards the end. Like how weak is it towards the end. All that weak stuff, you're gonna have to fold that up or get rid of it. This thick part is what you want, man. You want to keep that thickness going. So you want to fold that in, bow, bring it in here. Sometimes the lock that breaks off, it'll have that same looseness towards the end. So you want to either fold it in or overlap it towards the other one. Hold them together. And this is when you grab your tool. For me, I'm gonna go start with the 1 because it's fairly skinny towards the end of my locks. I'm gonna grab the 1 and I'm gonna go in. Now this lock was another no, this one was a combined lock that I tried to put together and the end ended up coming off. These ends, if this don't stay up here, I'm gonna actually end up throwing them away. Sometimes I really don't care unless it's like a whole big third or lock or some shit like that. But sizes like this, I kind of really don't care that much about because I know my hair gonna keep growing. You feel me? I'm be alright. You know what I'm saying? All my locks ain't one length anyway. So boom, I got it. Bring them together. Boom, boom, boom. First, I'm gonna start around here, and I'm gonna get right. So I got it started. Now basically what you want to keep doing, I'm about to grab it too. What you want to keep doing is going around, you're going like this. But a little bit slower as you bring the hairs into itself on the lock. Basically compacting the lock through each side. You come through one side, and the other, boom, 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 hit it, spin it around, do it again. Bring them hairs into the other side. From this side, if you're going in here, you're coming out to bring the hairs, boom, on this side in. And then you want to twist it, roll it around in the fingers. Rolling it around gives you that cylindrical shape instead of it being flat. If you put the locks together, combining them like side by side, and you start going, it may end up being flat. You know, you don't want your lock to be flat just because you fixed it. You want to keep, Sasuke, you want to keep that cylindrical shape, you know, so that way it looks like ain't nothing really happened, you know, especially if you're fixing it yourself. I believe if the loctician does it, they'll do it the same way. It's more like the same way you get the wicks, you know. Just keep going around in a circle. Get your cylindrical rolling on, you know, and before you know it, you'll be good to go, you know. Depending on your speed and how well you adjust to doing this task, it may take 5 minutes or less to do something like this. If you're combining a lock, depends on how much lock you gotta combine. But I say that's not what I would say, Sasuke. This ain't got nothing to do with you. You ain't got no locks. Your first straight as hell. Shut that shit up. Got it in there. Look at that. Now, being that this is my hair either way, it didn't matter where I combine this or put this on, what end, what lock tip I put this on, because this is all still my hair. So it's gonna look right. You feel me? I'm like, okay, boo, don't look like nothing happened. And if it ever were to get loose or get crazy or look like it's gonna break off, you can go back in. Say if this part was thin, you would take that part, bring it in on itself, just like how we folded the end of the tip we're putting on. You fold it in on itself, it'll make a knot, and you go in and you round it back out like it's supposed to. Like when I combine this over here, it does have a knot in it. This wasn't from being combined or anything like that. That's just how some of my locks are. They got elbows. My hair is straight and curly. I got that kinky wavy Joan, you know what I'm talking about? So it's gonna take me a while to do this. I say 30 minutes, because I'm not that fast, you know, but I'm gonna get the rest of my locks right. If you find any tips that have broken off, you of course can get it right. Some people keep it on them, you know, they keep it in their pocket or something like that. Use a crochet needle. 0.5 millimeters is what's recommended. As you see, I've gotten my lock attached and it looks like nothing's going on. So if that's something you want to do, that is how you do it. If you like this video, learned something, or you think somebody else can learn something, you can share it. You go ahead and hit the like button, you feel me? I appreciate it. But until next time, it's your boy Mo Bay. If you got anything you want to see me talk about, discuss, use as far as products, let me know in the comments or something like that. Hit me up on social media, it don't even matter. You know what I'm talking about? I'm gonna do some more videos. I'm not gonna tell you when, because I gotta just go ahead and do this shit, because if I put a time on it, you see how the channel going. Anyway, I'm gonna go ahead and I'm gonna do some more research on videos. I might get y'all in on it with me. Be like, hey, we're gonna look up these videos, watch them, discuss them, hit the talking points, you know what I'm saying? Break it down on how I see things or whatever the case may be. You know what I'm talking about? But until next time, it's your boy Mo Bay, and keep it locked, keep it healthy. I'm out. Peace.
I like when she softly sings to me. Come on, baby, be my freak. Leap, meet up with me, I got meat for cheap. Don't play with me, baby, C or G. Venus for that body, weak and leap. Thinking about you daily, making you my baby. Don't be acting crazy, we don't see. I come through with boppers and choppers. My partners, they rosters, them crosses. If you cannot stop us, she properly give